So, hello guys, Joseph Sampeligram here, URK 22CS1024. So, this is my building applications with GPT-4 Labs Experiment 4, titled as a personalized recommendation system for books as well as movies. So, let's get right into it. So, the aim of the experiment is to develop a personalized recommendation system using a local large language model, LLM. The system suggests books or movies based on the user's past preference and current queries. And then we can see in real world how this works. So these types of recommendation systems we can see in almost every digital platform: books, music, videos, movies, etc. Anything. It could be anything. So we can see in Netflix, Amazon, Goodreads, YouTube, Apple Music, Facebook, or whatever it might be, to provide personalized content to users. These systems increase engagement and improve satisfaction and help businesses to retain customers. So here I implemented a simplified version of such system using Olama's model. So we can see which can understand how a user's context and preferences uh, can be understood by the model to generate smart recommendation. So we're gonna see the code right here. We're gonna do a very brief explanation. So we're gonna see that how we do it. So here it's import Olama. So we're going to import Olama library, which is going to be used as the local LLM for generating recommendation. Next, I'm going to define some user profiles here. For example, you can see here like Alice. Alice likes Inception, Interstellar, and The Matrix. Bob likes Pride and Prejudice, Little Woman, and Emma. And Charlie here likes Avengers, Iron Man, and Spider Man. So you can see that this is all what you call this is also a movie series right here. This is also like a movie series here, and this is books. So these profiles simulate stored user preferences like a database, how a database stores it. Then I define the build prompt function here, where this function creates a detailed prompt to send to the model actually, where it selects the user like Alice here and retrieves her title. So you can see how it goes here for user is Alice, and it gets her favorite titles and asks the model to recommend similar ones. And you can see the uh, here the prompt also looks like the user Alice likes Inception, Interstellar, and Matrix. Based on this, I'm gonna recommend something like this. So like that. So the next is suggest recommendations, which you can see right here. So what it does is it sends the prompt to the Olama model which we are using here, using the Olama API, and the model returns natural and relevant recommendations based on the user's interest. So you can see finally in the main section, I run some sample queries to test how the function works. So you can see like I like documentary movies, I like some thriller movies, I like enjoy horror comedies, I like something. What are some good movies with supercars like that? So now we're gonna run this code in real time. So you can see how it responds back. User query: I like documentary movies. So it gives the suggested recommendation like hashtag concept of Inception, Interstellar, The Matrix. I was interested in documentaries. I prefer a list for you. So it's like it's giving a list, the fabric of cosmos into the universe with Stephen Hawking. Yeah, it's actually a good one. And the social dilemma, lo and behold, the rivalries. So it's like basically like went through what the prompt I gave actually. So suggest some thriller movies. So it's like Alice instead. So it's comparing to the data which we gave, like for Alice's taste. So let's see what it gave back. Blade Runner, yeah. Source Code, Looper, The Prestige, Edge of Tomorrow. So yeah, it gives some nice recommendations here actually. So for books, we can see the similar concepts: dark matter, recursion, snow crash, the three body problem. And for horror comedies, let's see. The Shaun of the Dead, Get Out, What We Do in the Shadows. So now this is the books. So John Dies at the End by David Wong, Meddling Kids. So you can see here how it gave like proper thing. You can see with the books also. So then it's summarized at the end. You can see that the system automatically generates some smart and relevant recommendation tailored to each query. So to summarize this experiment, we can see how the local LLM successfully retrieved all the data to create a personalized recommendation system. This model understands the user preferences and provides intelligent context-aware suggestions for both books as well as the movies. This approach can be extended to real-world platforms to enhance personalization in entertainment and e-commerce domain as well. Thank you guys. See you next time.